students, so here is a very important update for you. So if you are looking for different exams that you can give to get into the top colleges, so today I am here with an exam which is your AEEE, that stands for Amrita Engineering Entrance Examination. Okay, so this is a very good college located in Bangalore. So you can see here the packages here. This college, the highest package has been gone 56.95 LPA, average package is 9.02 LPA. Okay, and almost 92 students are placed in 2024. So such a very good college, very good placement record. So some important dates here, you can see the different branches that is available in this particular college. And I'll tell you the important dates here that you must keep in mind. So this exam is conducted in two phases. Phase 1 is already over. Now phase 2 has started and it will be conducted between 7th of May to 11th of May. Okay, so if you are interested in this, the last day to apply for this exam is on 2nd of May 2025. So you have enough time now. So please complete the registration process and fill the application form online. So you can see here you have the link here, so you just can fill all your details here and then you can register and then apply for the examination. Okay, so this was an update and you can prepare for this exam also with our Abhyas test series. So we have the best test series for KCET, that is your Abhyas KCET series 2025, available at a discounted price of just rupees 1499. Okay, here you will be getting 35 mock tests which will include part test as well as full length test for the subjects physics, chemistry, maths and bio. Apart from that, you will be getting live doubt clarification classes, one shot revision videos and video solutions with detailed explanation. Okay, and we will also be giving you chapter wise insight for last 5 years of KCET papers. So if you are preparing for KCET or for this exam, definitely you can buy our test series. The link is given in the description section, so please go there, check it out and buy as soon as possible to boost your KCET preparation, right? So thank you for watching, and are you applying for this exam or are you interested in this exam? Please put down in the comment section.